It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Casemate protective case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. You guys, this case is super protective. It has a drop test of 10 feet, which is huge. It protects your iPhone, which as we know, are investments. But not only is it super protective, the color on this, and the design, gorgeous. So at the bottom, it's a black color with almost like a sparkle sheen to it. And then the top kind of ombres into this gold flake. But it also has these added details here, like the button has a silver finish on it. And these are super responsive when you have your phone in there. And it has these bumpers on each corner where it protrudes ever so slightly, giving you protection if your phone were to fall downward. These are going to help absorb that impact really nicely. Of course, you have the opening to the camera lens there, bumpers on these sides, and then openings to where you need it the most, charging and speakers. Let me go ahead and show it to you on the phone. There you have the design on the white and silver iPhone, and it's gorgeous. I love this case, you guys. Just beautiful. You still get that great stainless steel, which is original to the iPhone. So even though it provides that detail on the back, you still get to enjoy certain aspects of the iPhone's beauty on its own. So if you're thinking about this case, I wouldn't think anymore. You're gonna love it. That's my point of view.